Welcome back, guys. This episode is themed my RV. As you can see, I brought an RV. It is the 2021 R Pod Hood Edition from Camping World. This time I bought it straight out. And if you take a look here on the opposite side, you can see my SUV can even pull this, and that's the slide out for the kitchen. And in the next shot that you'll see, it is a shot of the kitchen without the slide out being out. Microwave, refrigerator. This is the front door where I changed it. Surround sound, inside and out. This is another shot of the bedroom kitchen. This is a full bathroom with a shower, sink, and commode. And if you take a look at this next shot here, this is another view of the kitchen, which that's the refrigerator, as well as a stove, induction oven slash microwave. I've changed that as well, along with a lot of other changes. And that's my pet, y'all. I don't have to take care of it that much. And after all the changes that I've done to this RV, it's starting to feel a whole lot like home. And that's what I wanted it to be. Please subscribe and like and continue to watch me on my journey.